Now I just had an investor reach out to me with 2 units that he wants me to take under management. So I'm doing my initial walkthrough and I'm going to give him an assessment based on what I think. Right off the bat, the location is fantastic. The parking, not so much. So steep downhill right there. And we have a lockbox on the property. It is up for sale, but it's just a tough time to sell multifamily right now. So he's thinking of pulling it off the market and just listing it for rent. So luckily I have lockbox access. Seems to be this unit, and then 3 units looks like they've already sold, and then the one down on the end. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Neighbors, not stunning. So dual level, great layout, very tasteful finishes. 3 bedrooms do very well in Portland. They are a little bit tiny, so this one's the master. And then 2 more bedrooms right here that are itty bitty. But closets, and then the hall bath for these 2 bedrooms. Not terrible. What do you expect in Portland? I've seen worse. Now we are in the back unit. Already looks to be a little bit different, so much better. You're not looking out onto the street. And then upstairs is actually the same. I was just thrown off by the fact that there's no half wall. So a little bit more open space here, but the bedrooms are the same size, same type bathroom.
And the 2 bedrooms down the hall.
Now I want to see what the market is doing in the area that I'm in. I'm going to look at for rent in my current location and just kind of see what's around me. So this one for $2,000, I like this one. It has the bedroom, bathroom square footage. I'm going to look at a couple more. I don't want to look at apartments because this is more of a townhouse style, although it is a condo. Any apartment that's single level is already out. If it has parking, it's out. I will still use it even if it's not remodeled because you can just adjust the price from there as long as the location matches your comp. Then the square footage, bedroom, and bathroom count. Once you find a listing that's good, I will make the adjustment. Okay, so mine is new construction. I have stainless steel appliances. My countertop is stone. Then we check days on market, and if it's been sitting, we adjust the price even more. Follow along as we find a family to move into these beautiful units.